Okay, so we are going to find out the right prospect to those service providers who wants to cater finance, accounting, HR or medical industry and want to target CFO, finance head, HR head, founder or CEO. So of course for that we'll use Sales Navigator because this is one of the best B2B tool where you can find your prospect and build your relationship with them. So first of all, we'll find out, let's say we want to find out those companies whose head count is 11 to 50 or it's 51 to 200. Okay, so here we can see that it's 100 million plus results, so it's a great result, right? Now if you want to find out the region in which nationality you want to target, so for that we'll of course find the region. Let's say if we want to target Gulf countries, okay, UAE, so for the UAE region, Dubai, right? So if you want to target Dubai, then we'll pick the people they are from the Dubai. Okay, and here this is surprisingly 600k results we got, and the industry we want, those are finance industry. Okay, finance service providers, and we'll take this, we'll include this, and we also want accounting. Okay, we'll include accounting, and we'll check for medical. Okay, so there are lots of companies, someone can enroll themselves as medical practices, someone can enroll themselves as medical equipment manufacturer or medical and diagnosis laboratories. So here we selected medical and diagnostic laboratories. Okay, so still we have 49k results here. Now the important thing is we also have to check out that in which language we are comfortable, so that the communication should be great. So here since I know the English, so we'll take the English communication, and here still we can see that it's 46k results here. Okay, now there are a few more filters we have to apply so that we can land to the right prospect. So the first one is like there are lots of the people. If you check that like how many people are active over the LinkedIn, so we can see that 4.5k results, right? And here one thing we have to keep in mind that LinkedIn works on first degree, second degree and third degree connections. So as your number of the connections, first degree connections increases, you leverage or can get connected with the more number of the right people in your industry to whom you want to target or build relations. Okay, so now if you want to connect with, let's say job title I'm talking about, you want to connect with founder, we'll select the founder, we'll select the co-founder. Okay, co-founder. If you want to target CFO, we'll select CFO, Chief Finance Officer. Okay, group Chief Finance Officer, Principal Chief Finance Officer. These people we can target, and here we can see that these are 590 results. These are the active people to whom, because these are the people who are active over the LinkedIn, so there is a higher probability that once we'll send them the connection request and we'll try to engage with their post, we can get we'll have the higher chances to get accepted, like they can accept our invitations, and once they can accept our invitation, after that we can start engaging with, right? So these are the people we found that, and here what we do, we can save all those lists, and after that we can start engaging with, right? So first of all, since you are trying to connect with the CFO, so it's chance that they can take, let's say 15 days, 20 days to get into the call. Maybe someone can say that they can get into the call for the next month, right? So it's all about the relationship building. So once we'll build the relationship with them, once we build a rapport with them, after that we'll be able to bring them over the Google Meet or maybe Zoom call or face-to-face meeting, which you both are comfortable, and after that you can start exchanging the ideas that how you can help them to solve their current challenges, and you can customize your solutions. So this is all for today. Like this is the process you can use to reach out to the right people through the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Thank you.